Welcome back, YouTube. It's vlog time. In this video, you'll follow me as I get 2 tattoos in the same day. So let me give you guys some backstory. It's summer 2019. We are in the wonderful, beautiful, sunny Palm Springs. My friend Monique hosted a Palm Springs trip for her birthday. There was about 17 of us in the group, and most of us are great friends from high school, middle school, and just from our hometown, Salinas. One of our friend's boyfriends is a tattoo artist, so he brought up his equipment to give some of us some ink. We had a super chill weekend and a very relaxing vacay. We stayed at an Airbnb that was practically a hotel called The Marley. The trip celebrated Monique's 26th birthday. All right, Palm Springs, about to get our tattoos. Monique just got done with hers. And I'm about to be next. You see that? Ooh. I'm gonna be next. I'm getting one right here and one right here. Tattoo number 1, my Capricorn sign. I was inspired to get my astrology sign because I really resonate with being a Capricorn. And my outing Reese has his Gemini sign on the back of his ear, so it gave me some inspiration too. Tattoo number 2, sunrise, sunset. I've always wanted a tattoo that symbolizes that I'm a 24-hour kind of person. Plus, I was getting a tattoo in Palm Springs, so why not get a sunrise and sunset? Aside from Monique and I, our other friend Javon got a tattoo as well. Shout out to Daniel for coming along to the trip. Make sure to check out his Instagram for more of his work. We finally got started with stenciling, sanitizing, and marking.
Just relax.
First tattoo, here we go. Don't forget to breathe if it's your first time.
Breathe in, breathe.
I'm chilling. It's okay. Just a little pain.
He starts spazzing out.
I'm about to pass out. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna pass out. But the pain behind my ear is not as bad as I thought it would be.
First tattoo.
Well, let's see how this is gonna all work out here. I got some of your hair in there, I'm sorry.
So we just got finished with doing my first tattoo. And now we are about to hit up and do the second one. Hey, Daniel. This one hurts more.
It hurts more. Does it really?
Does it hurt? Hell yeah, it did. But honestly, the pain is tolerable. Overall, I'm super happy with how my tattoos turned out. Both are very different, but both are very me. 2 out of 2 tattoos done. Thanks for watching. Check out my Instagram. Also, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.